To quick look any file in any Finder view, select it and hit the spacebar. That will display a large preview of the file in a quick look window. To then get rid of this, we can just hit the spacebar again, or click on the close button in the upper left. Now in Quick Look, we get a Markup button. Click on this to bring up all the markup tools across the top of the window. So I could add a shape, text box, or signature to this PDF. Once your markups are ready, we can then share the file with the markups applied, or click Done to save the changes. This is going to work with image files as well as video and audio files. When I quick look this video, we now have trim controls. Click and we can quickly take a few seconds off the beginning or end of this video clip. Click Done, and I can then choose to replace the original file with the edited one, or save this as a new clip. I'll choose New Clip, which can then be saved wherever I please. Notice that we also get these trim controls in the preview pane when a video or audio clip is selected in the Finder. This can make the job of trimming a group of video clips that you've imported go much quicker than before, since you no longer need to open the files in an app. Just trim the clips right here in the Finder before bringing them into iMovie or whatever editor you might be using to combine the clips.